Hello guys, and welcome back to new video on this channel. So we've got a new update for Aimogen, and this time it brings Elementor support to the AI content editor menu, so you will be able to edit using the editing template manager posts and pages which are using the Elementor editor. And let me show you how this will work. You will need to install Elementor and Aimogen, and afterwards go to AI Content Editor Editing Template Manager, and in the AI Content Editing options, enable the AI Content Rewriting. Here in the latest update of the plugin, you will see Enable Elementor Editor Block Support, and this prompt, the instructions to send to the AI editor will run separately on each Elementor block if you enable this. So after you enable Elementor editor block support, if you have an Elementor post, it will run this prompt on each Elementor textual blocks from that post. So let me show you this in action. So I have the prompt translate this text to French. This is simple, and let us save settings. Now we can go and let's say create a new post. Add new post and edit with Elementor. So this will make the post be created with the Elementor page builder, and here we can simply, for example, let's say we add a text here, and let's say my cat is white. His name is Kitty. Okay, and we can publish this post. We have multiple options on how to edit this post. We have manual editing, automatic editing of existing posts, or automatic editing of posts which are newly published. So to enable manual editing, you will need to go to posts, and let's refresh this to list our post, and go into the WordPress editor, not in Elementor editor. In WordPress editor you will have this button, and click process with Aimogen, and this will make the plugin process the Elementor post, and we can refresh the post here. Mon chant est blanc, il s'appelle Kitty. Yeah, my French accent is not that good, it seems. Okay, so after we've done this, we can also go to the front end, and we can check it in Elementor page, and posts will be edited. Okay, so this is a method to fire editing for Elementor. Another method is to go to the plugins AI Content Editor menu, and you will see here automatic content editing. Enable this and set when you want to edit the posts or pages. Set here, you can create the rules, you can select templates of post editors, you can manage templates here in the manage AI content editor templates. You can save templates, so simply create a configuration, save settings, and afterwards save a new template from that configuration, and this template can be applied in the automatic content editing here, and you can select what posts and pages you want to edit and how. So you can select, you can filter which posts and pages, and you can select how. So this is automatic content editing. And you can also enable existing content editing, where similarly you can select templates, and you can select which filters you want to apply, and here simply run post editing, and you can manually edit multiple existing posts in bulk using this feature. So as I showed you, these three are the options. You can edit the posts manually, like I showed in this tutorial video. You can edit them automatically at each time a new post is published, and you can edit manually existing posts in bulk using existing content editor. So this is how you will be able to edit your Elementor pages and posts using the Aimogen plugin. Aimogen is linked in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it, and let me know suggestions, ideas, comments that you have, they are all welcome and appreciated. Thank you for watching until the end. This is all for today. Bye bye.